In this episode, we visit a local favorite place and show you the downfall of the past decade. In this episode, we explore a giant blast furnace in Belgium. It's one of my local favorite locations, where I've been many times since 2008. It's located close to the Belgian city Liège, less than an hour from where I live. John Cockerill, an English industrialist, was an important man for the steel industry around Liège. He started the construction of the first blast furnace in the 1820s. In 1913, there were 21 blast furnaces, but nowadays this is the last giant of the area. Another nearby blast furnace number 6, which we also frequently visited, has been demolished a few years ago. Hi guys, before we continue, I want to show you a really cool game I've been playing in the past weeks. It's called Raid Shadow Legends. With Raid, you can collect over 400 champions and train and customize them. You can have all kind of battles with your favorite champions. Campaign, dungeons, faction wars, play against others in the arena, or play together against a clan boss. And the good thing about this all, it's free to play and available both on mobile and desktop. So this is the main screen of the game, and here you can see my champions. As you can see, I collected quite a few of them already. Here's the portal, where you can get new champions for your team. I'm always excited, because you never know who you will get. Let's see what we can get this time. Alright, seems like a dog I don't want to meet while exploring. And now we've got a giant lizard. Good for my spirits team. Oh wow, that's cool. I really like the skinwalker I just summoned. I have to say, the character design is really great. I have a master's degree in animation film and always wanted to do creature design for a living. They really did a great job. Another favorite of mine is this mean looking orc. When you start the game, you can choose one of 3 champions, and I don't regret my choice. He's really good in offense and has some powerful attacks. If you play 7 days in a row, you get this sexy orc. She has the ability to revive champions in a battle, which is really helpful. You can find me in the game under the nickname Exploring, so if you see me, challenge me. There are ongoing tournaments where you can compete against the entire raid community while fighting the Spider's Den, Ice Golem's Peak, the Almighty Fire Knight, or the Notorious Dragon. So check the link in the description to download the game. New players receive 100,000 silver, 2 clan boss keys, 10 mystery shards, and 1 free champion, the Executioner. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. Good luck and see you there. This blast furnace was built in 1962 and could produce 2,000 tons of pig iron per day. Due to the economical crisis, it slowly stopped producing in 2008. In 2014, the site was closed permanently. The adventure starts here. It already feels like our second home. In the last few years, this place became a heaven for copper thieves. As a security measurement, they put up a lot of razor wire around the area. But it's nearly impossible to keep them out, and the fences are cut open everywhere. For us, it's a walk in the park to get inside.
These fences are open for forever, huh?
Many years, yeah.
Welcome! During one of my first visits, I got stuck over there and there was armed police checking the whole area. So I had to hide for some hours.
the power station was still running that day. When we saw armed police on the terrain, we waited here for some hours. Luckily, we made it out without being caught. We started our explore at the power station, which provided the electricity for the whole factory. It's the building that shut down as last, around 2014. Here's a picture I took just after the power station was shut off the grid. We enter the turbine hall.
Apocalyptic. Everything destroyed.
Oh my god. So the first time we came here, it looked like this. And now...
Everything burned, stolen, destroyed.
Yeah. Looks like this whole power station was set on fire by copper thieves.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
When I first explored this building, it was in a pristine state and no copper thief had been inside. It's hard to imagine this picture was taken only 2 years later. During our last visit, even a part of the roof is gone. Here are some more older pictures of the power station. This is one of the control rooms inside the power station, covered in darkness. It remained in remarkable good condition. Still in a pretty good condition.
Yeah.
Compared to the rest of the station.
It's nice how the light comes through there. Echt mooi, hè, toch?
Ja, dat is cool.
Af en toe hebben zonder mensen, dat is wel nice.
So here are the labs. As you can see, it has been set on fire as well.
Incredible.
The labs have some serious smoke damage, but there's still a lot to see.
It smells here like it burned yesterday, you know?
Yeah, crazy. That's the chemicals, huh?
Yeah.
That's corrosive.
Oh, there's another office here.
Really? Oh, me neither. Oh, but the door, is it locked or?
Oh, there's an open door.
It's crazy that the bookwork survived, huh?
Yeah.
You see everything is black. Probably because of the smoke.
And yeah, it burned. Everything is burned, of course.
So this is another control room. Completely set on fire. Nothing is left.
Can you imagine the heat when it was burning? It's like a small oven,
Yeah.
furnace.
But it must be crazy. It's in the middle of a city.
Yeah.
It should be really obvious. And the
Yeah, but
smell
this is a
and
no man's land.
Yeah.
No law is applicable here anymore.
We go to the roof of the power station to have a good look at the whole site.
almost have the best view on the blast furnace. Really cool.
Ah, yeah.
Careful here,
Collapse.
yeah. It's a great view, right?
Crazy.
Yeah.
Such a shame that everything will be
Yeah.
demolished soon.
We hear sirens coming closer, not knowing our raid would happen very soon. For the first time ever, the police and fire department show up on the grounds. At this moment, we still think they're outside the terrain for something else. Here you can see some other people trying to get away. Just seconds later, a fire truck drives by and a guy demands us to stop. We run back inside the power station. Other people probably got caught.
So we just stopped filming and something happened?
Like 10 fire cars, a couple of police cars. It's like a raid on the whole place.
Yeah, we thought it was something nearby.
Yeah.
And suddenly one of the fire trucks came and wanted to stop us, so we fled inside.
Crazy. Like 15 cars.
I think, yeah. I think I record the sound. So.
Yeah, they want to clean up the place or something.
I don't know what has happened. It's not your usual Saturday here.
No.
No, come here. Ilko, this side. Come on down.
Because they saw us running inside a power station, we decide it's smarter to hide in another building.
Cars everywhere. I never... This is crazy.
Like 15 or something.
15 cars. But they all had their alarms on as well.
I thought they were called to go somewhere.
So, what now?
Let's hide.
Yeah, I don't know. Checking. Let's go. I think we're gonna be stuck here.
Not shouting.
Shouting. They're looking for us.
I heard walkie-talkie.
That's what I heard before. I think we have to go back another time to make the rest of the episode. Cops is looking for us, but we got beer. Cheers, man. You can hear a beep from the car. They're still searching, but I think it's time to go. So we going to move really careful to that side. And then see what happens.
We managed to get away safely. We still don't know what exactly was going on that day.
So 5 months ago, we were stuck here. While there was a raid going on. And they almost caught us because they were really, really close.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is funny.
Oh my god. And now I'm walking through the spider webs, you know? So nobody have been here. Look.
Yeah, it's funny to be here again.
Yeah.
We return to finish the episode. This time I put a GoPro on, so you can see more raw footage of us walking around this big site. Oh wow. Waarin?
In die hal. Dit is echt een trappetje.
Ja.
It's also nice to mention that we both have been here more than 10 times.
Yeah.
And you over the course of 10 plus years,
Yeah.
and me over the course of 5 years.
Still a long time, right? Sweet. I often drive there, huh? On the left side. Yeah, it's nice. Every time you come, you discover something new.
This is a bit like Terre Rouge in Luxembourg.
And also like the mines and the Ruhr.
Ah yeah, true.
Oh.
Oh man, this was pure powder.
The next stop is the blast furnace itself.
It's a nice place. I've never been there. Can you imagine? 10
Yeah.
times?
It's too much to see, right?
Yeah, correct.
And you always have limited time.
Exactly.
Look, from here I think you can pass, you see? Above and then... Probably, yeah.
You know, it's also really special here that they don't cut away
Yeah.
the beginnings of the stairs.
Uh-huh.
In Germany, they always do it, right?
Yeah, they always do it. Ah yeah, sweet. Nice view over Liège. Let's hope we can cross from this point, I think a little bit further. Pigeon. This site is a real big maze and a playground for adults. We keep on finding new spots we've never been before. Great view. I'm gonna miss this place. Oh, this is a bit sketchy. Yeah, but we can't cross. Oh, we can't cross over there.
Go a bit more to the left.
Yeah, but we can cross here.
Okay.
Just watch out.
Nou, laten we gewoon oppakken.
Yeah, but it's fine. What's up? Huh? At least we can cross here.
Yeah, sweet. So here's a staircase. Here too. You can grab my tripod. Yeah, thanks, man. Ooh, I never approached this building this way.
Me neither.
For the
It's
first
totally
time.
new.
Yeah, funny.
And you know what's always so funny? That each little corner you find, always the cooperatives have been there.
Yeah. It's a real difference when I came here the first time. It was just really pristine.
This is way better. It's a safer way.
Yeah, totally unseen. Easy.
Totally new.
Yeah, funny. And now?
The plates on the roof are stolen. Also 250 cooling plates with a weight of about 500 tons were stolen from the blast furnaces, worth around 3 million euros. Heavy machinery was required to remove and transport them.
Zo, dit is echt gutted,
What
jongen.
happened here?
It's like really like a tornado, man. A multi-year tornado.
I feel so exposed here suddenly. Yeah, it used to be dark always.
Yeah, true.
The window's totally smashed over there.
Yeah, it's crazy.
In this hall you can find the tapping holes, where the end product of the blast furnace, the pig iron, came out. This was the hardest and most inconvenient place to work, with very hot temperatures. Here are some pictures from one of the first visits, when the lights were still on. I also shot some video footage in 2017, when the roof was still intact. Here you can see some tapping holes. When pig iron had to come out, they drilled a hole so the liquid iron could flow into hot metal cars. The pig iron would be transported to a nearby steel factory where it was further processed. We will cover this location in the upcoming episodes. If they wanted to stop the flowing iron, the hole will be filled with clay. These heat-resistant suits made it possible for employees to work in the unbearing heat. We go up the blast furnace. It's weird to see the broken elevators. In 2013, I took this elevator to go up to Blast.
Oh, 7 had niet. Of 7. Dat zou zelfs pakken. 7 is zo raar knopje. Nee. Beter als de trap, niet? Ja. Als het toch werkt. Zo, moet er eerst omhoog denk ik hier.
Of course, it's a nice bucket list thing, but for the view, it's not worth it, I think.
Just nice. Wow. So we went all the way there, and there. Huh. It's still a long way up. Sweet. Here it is, huh?
Here, yeah.
Our most loyal viewers probably recognize this place.
Exactly.
This was where we celebrated that we had 100,000 subscribers.
3 years ago? 2?
I
think.
It was in 2018, I guess.
Exactly, yeah.
It was funny because while we were here, there were like copper thieves right on this roof.
Straight here, yeah.
Alright guys, we're going live because we hit the milestone of 100,000 subscribers. Thank you a lot. So we're gonna pop the champagne. Oh! Give me the... So, cheers man. Oh. Yeah. This is the power station. I think I have a picture from this angle where you can see all the chimneys still working.
Ah, really? That's
still
crazy.
in use back then.
That's impressive.
From the top, you have a great view on the factory. Time to go down to explore another part.
Well, we take the same way back.
Should we go here?
Yeah.
Try it for us. Yes.
Yeah, we have to end at the balcony over there.
We walk inside the conveyors. It's the best way to remain unnoticed.
Cool.
When I first came here, it was a lot easier. The lights were still on.
Oh yeah.
So it makes a big difference. Also inside these conveyors, it's a maze, and we have to peek outside sometimes to see which way we have to go.
Nice, the dust is crazy. Oh no. There was light.
Yep. Cover a lot of ground without touching the...
Yeah, we have not been on any road yet.
It's good.
It's a safe way.
Normally we just walk around freely.
Yeah, but we have to be careful after January experience.
Yeah.
Cooperatives. Yeah, now we're close to the offices.
Go up here, I guess. Just gonna make a shot. It's nice to see some parts didn't change at all, besides the lights that are all out now.
Pretty amazing sight. I heard somebody.
Huh?
Ik hoorde iemand. Maybe I'm crazy. Yeah, it's totally smashed. Oh, Jesus. It used to look pretty nice. Maybe I got some old footage of this place. I think there were like 3 things standing there, and there was like a map. Oh, it smells terrible.
Yeah. So this was the thing I was talking about.
Mm-hmm.
Was that office? Okay.
Sorry.
We see and smell a recent human presence. So maybe I did hear somebody.
Keeps all the people out. Oh yeah.
Okay. Look, there we have the balcony. There we will end our trip today.
Which one? Oh, the balcony there
yeah.
on the DPS
Yeah, that's
graffiti. Yeah, that's nice.
The sun is setting. Time to go to our last viewpoint. We decide to walk on ground level to show you how it looks like.
Crazy. Now I have to be a bit careful here.
Because there is security driving around, we have to take care.
Yeah, let's go inside here.
Really cool. All the overgrown.
Yeah, I like it.
And there are student ones.
You still want to have the lockers or you don't care? Okay. Okay, cool. They didn't even notice us. Huh? You would go get in here and then up.
There.
Could be copper, by the way.
What? Barbed wire. Oh yeah, it's fine. Oh. Did a good job here, huh?
Yeah, we did. But it's a great view here.
More.
Here you see how many staircases we have to go up each time to go to the top of a building.
And then? Oh, you walked a lot today, man.
Oh,
Whew.
this is where I was sleeping.
What? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought near the blast.
No.
But here there were guys, here?
Yeah.
Ooh.
This one.
Oh yeah.
Here's a sleeping spot.
Sweet.
We arrive just in time to see the sunset and take a look at the blast furnace. Hopefully this is not the last time, because demolition will start soon. It's a real pity this landmark will disappear in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this longer episode.